I'm gonna try to do something that's like really badass. I'm going to try to fix the timing on this machine. Oh my goodness, look at this gear. You're a dirty girl, miss. Hi friends! I recently purchased a 1969 vintage Singer Stylist 457 at a thrift store for $15. I cleaned it up and it was running great. Besides a faint electrical type odor, we're just gonna be risky today. The top vertical gear often goes bad on this 400 series of machines, and while mine was originally in good shape, it ended up crumbling within a few days of the refurbish. So here's my question for you. Have you ever adjusted the timing on a sewing machine? I didn't hear your answer. Before we get to the timing, first I need to replace this top vertical gear. So let's jump in and see if we can get this old girl working again. That old girl, not this old girl. Wish me luck! First I removed 2 screws from the top to get that lifted off, moved the levers to the center positions, and then removed 4 screws from the front faceplate. There's a metal piece behind this one that you don't want to fall down when you remove it. There we go. Ta-da! There's a screw on the bobbin winder that needs to come out, and be sure to push down gently on the needle position lever when you remove the faceplate. I found the information and photos helpful on this website, and I'll link that in the description. I need help with these ones. That's going to give us better access. Swap this gear out. I'm going to be able to hopefully access the set screw. Oh boy, I can't get the set screw. I think I need help. No, it's too thick. Try to get it so you're at a straight angle. Are you moving it?
Not yet.
It's really tight, isn't it? We might need to put oil on it.
Hold on, come back here.
I can't believe
Got it.
Square. Okay, thanks. So now we're gonna find out if that was loosened enough to try to get this vertical gear shaft to come down. Oh, look, it's moving. Okay, I'm guessing that was about 1 inch. And now it says once that shaft is out of there, you can remove the old gear. I don't know, I feel like I'm just pulling the shaft up now. I can pull this further. I might have to take the belt off. I don't think I got it. Oh my goodness, look at this gear. Got really chomped up. Here's the replacement. The set screw doesn't fit in the replacement part. This whole situation is bullshit, but I'm gonna be stubborn and put this thing in here, even though it's defective. How could anybody get that in there? I mean, I have small fingers. Let's see. Ooh, maybe, just maybe. Oh my gosh, please don't fall. I don't know. Is it on there? Not really. Feels like it's too high up. Did it get in? Oh, I think it's in. Why aren't you turning? Oh, there, now we're turning. I managed to get the set screw tightened, attach the front cover, and now I'm going to try to fix the timing on this machine. Since the bottom belt has been tinkered with, the hook that picks up the thread is no longer in alignment with the right timing for when the needle is supposed to go down through that and pick it up. I have to align this line on this bar, and I have to do all this crazy stuff. So we'll see if it works. If any of what I'm doing is unclear, you can take a close look at this diagram, and I hope that will help explain it as well. I need to loosen 2 set screws on the bottom of this bobbin mechanism. I'll remove the bottom access panel and remove the 2 set screws from the bobbin mechanism. Okay, it's working. What you will see is that the hand wheel still turns the needle shaft, but the bobbin mechanism is now detached from the pulley and will not rotate. For comparison, this is how it looks when the belt is attached. We have reached the final step for the timing, and that is to line up the tip of the bobbin hook with the needle when the lower tick mark of the needle bar is in position. This is the perfect moment of alignment when the hook catches the thread as it is forced out of the needle to create a stitch. We're going to bring the top tick line down below here just so that it's barely visible here. And that's going to be the point where the needle is in the furthest down position. The next step then is going to be to bring the bottom tick line up to this bottom casing here. Now let's get this hook lined up. Once you've got that hook point perfectly lined up behind the needle, you can tighten the pulley set screws. And remember, be very careful not to move the needle bar. That's right where we want it. And that's too far. Again, this is right where we want it. And that's not far enough. That's all there is to it. Let's get her put back together again. Let's see if we can pick up our bobbin thread. That was the first clue to me that something was not right. Our moment of truth. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So, were you able to fix your sewing machine's timing? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of these as well. Thanks for watching!